Hello, dear friends. Today we will dive into the world of ancient statues, which served not just as artworks but also as powerful amulets capable of protecting their owners and bringing luck into their lives. But have you ever thought about how a statue can become your personal guardian and helper? Open your heart to the amazing stories that come to us from the wise of the past through the ages. In this video, we will uncover the secrets of statues and discover how they could change the destinies of people. Get ready for inspiration and incredible discoveries that will guide you on the path to success. Since ancient times, statues have been symbols of faith and hope. They served as conduits to the divine, sources of strength for those who believed in them. In ancient Rome, special attention was paid to the statue of Fortuna, the goddess of luck. People would place her in their homes, hoping for her support in their endeavors and affairs. The statue depicted a woman holding a cornucopia in her hands, emphasizing her power to attract luck. And many who turned to Fortuna believed that happiness and success would inevitably find them. Just a little perseverance. Knowing about the power of statues, we can harness their energy in our lives. For example, the statue of Fortuna can become your powerful amulet. Place it in a prominent spot in your home or office, and let it remind you of your goals. Every time you walk past it, allow yourself to recall your dreams and aspirations. This will be your little ritual, providing strength and confidence in every step we take. In ancient times, when battles and wars were the norm, statues also served as protectors. For example, the statue of Adam in ancient culture represented inner strength and resilience. People believed that by possessing the image of Adam, they could find the courage to overcome any obstacles in their path. This image served them as a true talisman, reminding them that inner strength is incredible and that if activated, one can perform remarkable feats. No less interesting is the statue of Buddha, which embodies peace and enlightenment. Buddhism teaches us that by focusing on the statue of Buddha, we can find calmness and tranquility even in turbulent times. Place a Buddha statue on your desk and let it remind you of the importance of inner peace. Every time you feel anxious or insecure, remember that within your heart already lies everything you need to achieve your goals. Let's focus on statues that represent love and loyalty. For example, in ancient Rome, the statue of Paris, who chose Aphrodite, symbolized the idea of love and passion. The statue was used in rituals aimed at attracting love and harmony into one's personal life. By placing an image or a photograph of this statue in your space, you can create an atmosphere that fosters the finding of love and beauty in your surroundings. The ancient masters created statues to convey information about their values and ideals. Every line, every stroke in these works of art tells its own story. The statue of Dionysus, the god of wine, embodied joy, celebration, and carefreeness. Many people, believing in the power of this statue, held ceremonies to attract joy and positive emotions into their lives. By placing an image of Dionysus, we can bring more laughter and lightness to our day. Their human stories, filled with emotions and adventures, continue to inspire us today. For example, the statue of Hercules, who conquered countless foes, became a symbol of courage and strength. People believe that having an image of Hercules around them will help them overcome any life challenges. Every time you face challenges, look at him and let his example inspire you to keep going. Friends, remember that every time you create a space around yourself, you reflect your intention to become better. Install statues in your home that symbolize what you want to achieve. It can be a statue of an entrepreneur representing your business success, or a statue of a goddess reminding you of your inner strength and beauty. Your space can become your personal temple, filled with energy and meaning. Statues are not just stones, metal, or wood. They are your allies and defenders. Allow every image to inspire you and give you confidence in your abilities. Use statues in your rituals as reminders of your goals and dreams. They will help you stay focused even in the most challenging times and will serve as faithful friends on the path to happiness. So friends, when you look at statues, remember that they are with you. These powerful images will help you move forward and create the life you dream of. Don't be afraid to reach out to the past and use its strength to shape the present. In conclusion, if you enjoyed our video and want to learn more about how statues can influence your life, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and leave your comments. If we gather 500 likes, our next video will be about how ancient statues can change your energy and attract luck into your home. Thank you for being with us, and see you next time.